And welcome back. Let's head to Nairobi, Kenya, where Jamaica missed out on winning a medal on the opening day of the World Athletics Under-20 Championships as the 4x400 mixed relay team finished fourth on Wednesday. Simon Preston has the details.
Tina Clayton remains on target for a medal in the final of the women's 100 meters on Thursday. In a pedestrian at 10.94 seconds, while Brian Lavelle was disqualified after a false start. There was more disappointment for Jamaica in the heats of the men's 400 meters. In Heat 1, Jeremy Bembridge, after getting off to a good start, did not finish as he pulled up with 100 meters to go. Jamaica's other representative in Taj Ham ended 7th in Heat 3 in 47.73. In the women's equivalent, Onika McAnuff won Heat 2 in 54.13 seconds. Countrywoman Annalie Robinson won't join her in the final though, as she finished 5th in Heat 1 in 56.56. In the field, Kobe Lawrence made progress to the final of the men's shot put after throwing 18.65 meters. Despite not throwing the 19.20 meters required for automatic qualification, Lawrence advanced with one of the top 12 throws. Highlights of day one action of the championship can be seen this evening at 9:30 on TVJ.